Yeah, I mean, for us, it's definitely a paradigm shift, right? Whereas we would love to sell a server, and I mean, how many IT companies would hate to sell a server, but and pass up on those margins. But now, I think what everyone needs to start to realize is that those days are coming to an end, and if you don't adapt, you're going to lose. So what we've realized is that, hey, look, we have all these clients. We need to do right by the clients. We need to push them to where they need to go. So internally, it's been somewhat of a culture change where we realize that we're no longer going to get that gross margin anymore from selling the servers. So, but we do realize that by working with Green Cloud, there is the ability for us to mark up and get the points that we would like to see on a monthly basis instead of on a one-time basis. So instead of us getting everything in 1 month from making a sale on a server, now we can amortize that indefinitely. So, which is actually nice. It's just you need to take the plunge and actually trust that the cloud revolution is actually the reality. And once you realize that, and then you start reorganizing your business and setting your goals going forward properly, then it won't take you by surprise, and then before you know it, everything will be cloud, and you don't have to worry about selling servers any longer, and not have to worry about warranties. Let's just say that.
and to add to that, Rick, as an IT provider, the billable work and the billable time that you can actually charge doesn't really go away, because you still need to set up those virtual servers. You still need to transfer the data over to the virtual environment. You still need to train your clients to make sure they understand what's actually happening when they get moved to the cloud. So the billable time is a great thing, plus an actual constant that you can provide your client. Right now, as an IT provider, you probably have your servers in different areas, right? You have them probably in a hot, manufacturing plant, or maybe in a medical office on the floor near a pathway. Now you know that virtual server is going to be in a secure data center with all the bells and whistles that goes along with it, and you can provide a constant level of uptime rather than having these unknowns at all these other clients.
Yeah, and I mean, especially nowadays with the need for constant access. Like, for example, say you have staff and the staff's traveling and there's a thunderstorm that rolls through the area and it knocks some power out. You don't have to worry about that anymore. Right. I mean, people can continue working and they can continue to remote in, and little do they know that you just had a massive thunderstorm roll through. So the hurdles are gone for a lot of these IT issues when you move to the cloud.